Weavers are the key capable of extraordinary feats. These so-called scientists I've consulted with believed to be impossible. They document correlation between anecdotes of weavers' presence and lowered crime rates in the surrounding area. Such immense gifts should be accessible to all. Shouldn't we all be capable of fighting our own wrongs? I will focus on the restorative elements of reviving next. If the grand tapestry among of the very fabric of the universe, then to revive is turn back time itself, to patch what has been shredded. What wonder can be cleansed from hurt of creature torn aroused and stigma, that miracle be created.
Restorative, element, grand, tapestry?
I just left another ranked game. Why? You're too bad to
She
not
loves
leave the
a sketchy
games?
bookshelf. Holy. What kind of person needs a room like this? That's a chunk of Benji. All this research on the walls, too. She was serious. What is Bunny up to? That's a big-ass feather. What the hell?
Where is
What's wrong
part
with
of
those pictures?
alligator?
Red yarn. She found out hugging Molly's not just a scary story for kids.
Director Mr. Flood. His list of children reported as missing in the past 20 years from Prosperity region. Note that all of them have been the subject of investigation by local child welfare authorities. Knox, Billy Grander, David Rhodes, August, Chloe Duke. Please let me know. She lost her...
Trudge.
Yes. She lost her daughter, she lost her son. And she doesn't care about her
Hey, that's my distaff.